Good day everyone, this is Sir Kent and today magkakaroon tayo ng fast drill patungkol sa ating mga science keywords na talagang lumalabas sa ating board exam. Handa na ba? Let's start. Kapag tinanong sa board exam, ano po yung tawag sa molten rock beneath the Earth's surface? That's magma. Kapag naman, ano pong layer ng Earth where doon po nag-o-occur yung ating weather? That's troposphere. How about, what do you call the process by which plants release water vapor? That's transpiration. How about the breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces? That's weathering. How about the movement of Earth around the sun? That's revolution. How about the movement of Earth on its own axis? That's rotation. Now, ano naman po yung tinatawag na basic unit of life? That's cell. How about ano po yung organelle na known as the powerhouse of the cell? That's mitochondria. Now, ano po yung process by which plant make food with the use of sunlight? That's photosynthesis. Now, ano po yung green pigment na responsible doon sa photosynthesis? That's chlorophyll. How about what is the scientific name of humans? That's Homo sapiens. How about the transfer of pollen or pollen grains from anther to stigma? That's pollination. Now, ano po yung tawag doon sa study ng heredity? That's genetics. Who is the father of genetics? That's Gregor Mendel. How about anong organ po yung nagpapump ng blood throughout the body? That's the heart. Of course, now, ano po yung blood cell na responsible doon sa pag-transport ng oxygen? That's red blood cells. How about what is the smallest unit of an element? That's an atom. Now, what is the center of the atom na kung saan it contains the protons and the neutrons? It's the nucleus. How about what substance ang nagde-dissolve po ng another substance, no? Substance that dissolves another substance. That's solvent. How about yung substance na nade-dissolve, no? What is the substance being dissolved? That's solute. Now, ano naman po yung scale na ginagamit para ma-measure po yung acidity and alkalinity? That's the pH scale. Now, what do you call the change in matter that produces a new substance? That's chemical change. What do you call the rate of doing work? That's power. How about what do you call the energy in motion or energy of motion? That's kinetic energy. How about the stored energy? That's potential energy. Now, what do you call the force that opposes motion between surfaces? Starts with letter F. That's friction. Now, what do you call the unit of electrical current? That's ampere. Ito, lumabas din ito nung nakaraan. No? What do you call the variety of life in a particular habitat? That's biodiversity. Kapag variety of life, that's biodiversity. Kasi diverse no variety. Sige, how about what do you call the layer of the atmosphere that protects the Earth from UV radiation? It's ozone layer. Kaya nga ito po yung nangyari sa atin ngayon because of the climate change. Grabe din po yung depletion doon sa ating ozone layer. Kaya napakainit na po kahit umaga pa lang. Last question for our drill for today in science. Who is known as the father of modern science? That's Galileo Galilei. Nakasabay ba? I hope na nakasabay tayo, no? Those are our 30 keywords po, no? Sa ating science na drill, no? Under our general education and of course sa ating science majorship. This is Sir Ken. God bless everyone.